Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing your Google Cloud project and obtaining an API key. This is required to render maps. Create a billing-enabled project, enable the map's JavaScript API, then generate and restrict the API key to your site domain. Once done, add the key to your HTML script tag. Make sure to restrict referrers and set usage limits to avoid surprise charges. This step secures the key and prevents misuse while you begin testing on localhost or staging. Next, integrate the map's JavaScript API into your HTML. Add the script tag referencing the API with your key and a callback to an init map function. In the page, create a fixed size div for the map and set CSS for width/height. Then write init map in an external JS file. Choose center coordinates, zoom level, and map type ID. Instantiate new Google Maps. Map. Once done, add markers or controls incrementally so you can test each feature rather than breaking everything at once. Finally, extend functionality with additional services like geocoding, places, and directions by loading appropriate libraries and calling their clients. Implement event listeners, info windows, and clustering for many markers. Once done, optimize performance. Load the script to sync and defer, lazy load features, and cache responses where appropriate. If something breaks, check console for API errors and quota messages, confirm billing and referrer restrictions, and test with a simple map page to isolate configuration versus code issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.